Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix PayPal login not working on iPhone. First of all, check your internet connection, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue is network related. Next, go ahead and open your app store and then search for PayPal and see if there is an update button available. If there is, then update your phone. Sometimes login issues happen because you are using the outdated version of the app. Updating it ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes. Next, reset your password if needed. If it says wrong credentials, tap forget password and follow the reset steps using your email. Privacy tip: only log in through the official PayPal app or paypal.com, never from the links in messages or emails. Quick fix: if the app still won't log in, clear Safari cache in settings and then try logging in from another device to check if your account is temporarily locked. And that's it. Subscribe for more